Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you another great for Christmas this year, and that is some Christmas sandwiches from the supermarket. These are some from M&S, but any supermarket ones are perfect. And what's great about them is you can warm them up in the air fryer and you've got lovely crispy toasties that are like toasties, or as you might call them, grilled cheese. And they're just a perfect fix for when you're shopping. It's Christmas time, you're stressed out and you're thinking to yourself, I've come shopping hungry again, and it's your food that you can have as soon as you get home. Just pop it in the air fryer whilst you're unpacking your shopping. So, air fryer out. I'm using one of my basket air fryers here, but any will do the trick. And I've got the pigs in blankets. Oh, pigs in blankets sandwich. I mean, oh, isn't that amazing? So, I'm not being greedy. There's one each here because I am doing this video and Dom is behind the scenes, so it gives us a sandwich each because we haven't had our breakfast yet and we're starving. And this one is my favourite one that I've tried so far of the M&S ones. And this is the turkey sandwich one. Oh, I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? So find some room in there. The air fry baskets will typically do the equivalent of 2 sandwiches worth. If you're using the dual, you can do 2 in each drawer. Flexi drawer, you can do a lot more if you're feeding a family. And also keep an eye out for these supermarket ones because they're often on yellow sticker, reduced to clear, need eating that day. So when you're shopping, you might find them for a real good bargain price. And like I said, it saves you cooking. And what we're going with here is 4 minutes on each side at 180 Celsius. I add an extra minute if I've got them with meat in, or if you're just doing like a cheese and ham version or something where there's not that much to heat through, then 3 minutes either side is perfect. And it also depends on how crispy you like them. So we'll be back in 4. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to RecipeThis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on what they're like so far? And those are your toasties so far. Oh, wow. If I put my finger there, I can hear that lovely crunch on them already. You can turn them over with your hands, or if you prefer, you can use tongs. I find that they're not that hot on the actual bread, so I find it quite easy to turn them over with my hands, but you might prefer it another way. And then it's also making sure you're keeping all 4 of them and they're not on top of each other in the air fryer. So we're ready to go back on. So it's the exact same again, rinse and repeat, another 4 minutes at 180. And then let's get them back on. That means then, for making your own toasties, you haven't had to butter any bread. You haven't had to think to yourself, right, I've just got a bread loaf just because I fancy a toaster. You only fancy one. So you're all ready to go. Whilst your shopping's unpacking, they can be going on in your air fryer and they're just brilliant. And I just love the level of crisp you get on them. So I'll see you in just under 4 minutes. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on our festive grilled cheese? Oh yes, I can see the colour on those now. They look absolutely fantastic. Listen to that. Isn't that crunch lovely? Oh, look at that. Perfectly quick cooked toasties in the air fryer. You just can't beat it, can you? Oh wow, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? Look at all those toasties. Absolutely fantastic and perfect for when you just fancy something, you're in a rush, it's Christmas time, you love all those Christmas sandwiches. Maybe you normally have them at Greg's or somewhere like that and you just want to quickly cook them at home in your air fryer. Just remember, 4 minutes each side, 180 Celsius, and you're sorted. I mean, oh wow, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? I just can't believe how good they are in the air fryer. Oh, I've got to have some sausage. These are just so good. I'm just saying, these are often on the meal deals at the supermarkets as well at this time of year. So get yourself cooking some of these, and happy Christmas from Sam and Dom. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.